Mastering the art of first impressions as an interpreter. Imagine walking into a room, your confidence radiating and capturing everyone's attention. You only have 2 minutes, yet time seems to stand still. That initial interaction can dictate the course of the conversation. We want clients to trust us. It's all in how you present yourself. Dress appropriately for the job, be well-groomed, and you're already painting a picture of respect and professionalism. Body language, too, plays a pivotal role in this interpreted conversation. Maintain a good posture, make eye contact, and wear a genuine smile. Be articulate, clear, and concise. Remember, it's not about showcasing your intellect, but about displaying sincere interest and connecting with others. Lastly, a positive attitude is infectious. Radiate optimism, be approachable, and you'll see how drastically it affects your interactions. First impressions do last,